Governments in the Middle East and Central Asia countries took unprecedented steps in response to COVID-19 crisis. However, the pandemic has inflicted heavy damage on the region. Policymakers acted quickly and decisively to impose a range of social distancing and public health measures. The region's fatality rate is relatively low, with total deaths per million people around 26, a far lower rate than the well over 200 deaths per million seen in Europe and North and South America. The economic toll of the response, though, is significant. We have revised our growth forecast down since our April Rio economic outlook, despite some tentative signs of recovery in the past 2 months. We now project growth for the Middle East and Central Asia region at minus 4.7% for 2020, 2 percentage points lower than in April. When looking just at the Middle East and North Africa region, we see an even sharper slowdown, with 2020 growth projected at minus 5.7%, 2.5 percentage points lower than in April. Severe oil price fluctuations compounded the hit from the lockdowns among the MENA region's oil exporters, with these countries expected to lose $270 billion in oil revenues this year relative to 2019. Downside risks dominate the outlook and include uncertainty regarding the length of the pandemic, potential social unrest, and renewed volatility in global oil markets. While ensuring strong health system remains the immediate priority, governments should also focus on supporting recovery, preventing economic scarring, and setting up resilient and well-targeted social safety nets. As the pandemic wanes, countries are encouraged to facilitate recovery by gradually rolling back emergency measures and assisting where necessary in easing the reallocation of workers and resources. Over time, rebuilding buffers by lowering public debt and increasing reserves once immediate recovery needs have been met is critical. This should be done in tandem with building an inclusive post-COVID economy with strong social protection, improved governance, and a technology-enabled and green recovery. Multilateral support can play a key role in helping countries surmount these shocks. The fund is actively supporting the region and has provided nearly $17 billion in assistance so far this year to 15 countries, while working with several other institutions.